This video explains how to operate sequence function of the HVS-490. Sequence is a function that allows continuously transitioning parameter to be stored as a step and recalled in a single operation. The HVS-490 can store up to 20 steps per bus in a single sequence memory, and up to 30 sequences can be stored. Press the sequence in this keypad section to open the settings screen. Tap Group Select. This time select M1K1 as it will be created with ME1 key 1. If other buses are lit, turn them off. Tap Edit to display the Sequence Edit menu. Tap New to set up a new sequence. Place key 1 in the first position and tap Add to the register as step 1. Place key 1 in the top right position and tap Add as step 2. Place key 1 in the bottom right position and tap Add as step 3. Place key 1 in the bottom left corner and tap Add as step 4. The transition time between each step can be adjusted by tapping the bottom right of the menu. Turn F1 to select the step, and then change the value of duration. After changing the value, tap Overwrite. Press the play button to check the footage of the created sequence. Tap File and make sure M1K1 is selected. Then press the Store button and press the number you want to save. A beep will sound and created sequence will be saved. Press the Sequence button in the keypad section. Press the Page button on the Memory section and select the page using the buttons 0 to 9. Press the number you have just saved and press Recall. If Direct On is selected in the Event menu, the number can be recalled by simply selecting the number without pressing the Recall button. Tap Edit and press the Play button.